village. Big one. Hey everybody, so I buy all of this for our consume here in the kitchen, and you know, this is only 1,330 pesos. You can believe it. It's like $30 or less. Yeah, less, like $25.
Next month.
Fresh, beautiful. I'm gonna bring this at home and cook. This is a plastic. Ciao everybody, we are back. We are here in the ocean of North of Iloilo. We're just trying to eat the crabs and scallops. Have a little bit of break from the city life. This is the real fresh air here. And this is only in Zanetti, travel, cooking and culture. Ciao, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my